112,397% growth in just 1.5 a year. That is as much as 1,123x. That's how much profit Solana made to its early investors. And now remember that some people still put their money in the bank for 6% annual interest. Yeah, that's how the crypto world works, and it's not even something special. Here are some other examples. Flow 104x, Near Protocol 40x, Filecoin 106x, Minacoin 56x, and all these are the coins everyone could invest in. And this situation is better than, for example, with Bitcoin, because almost nobody knew about Bitcoin in 2009, and it would be wrong to say that everyone could become a millionaire. But everyone could know about these projects, because they all went public on Coinlist ICO platform, which will be discussed in this video. Today I'm going to tell you how you can make the same insane profits, literally out of the air. As always, I have hidden in this video 3 Binance codes, that will give you free cryptocurrency. On the right you can see how to activate these codes, so watch this video till the end to get your free cryptocurrency. So let's break down what an ICO is. In simple terms, it is the initial placement of tokens of some project on an exchange. For example, you want to create some blockchain project that will work with your coins, but you don't have the budget to develop it. In that case, you can turn to an intermediary who will find investors so that you can launch your project. That way, investors will get your project's tokens first, before they even go public, and you will get the money to develop it. This is a win-win situation, because once the tokens go on the exchange, they almost always skyrocket in value, especially if the project is really good and has useful utility. And project developers will not only get money for their project, but also can hold part of these tokens themselves. So when their token comes out, they will have the opportunity to sell it with profit, because they got it for free. This process is called token sale, and nowadays there are plenty of marketplaces that offer the opportunity to buy project tokens before the release on exchanges. These platforms called launchpads, and today we will analyze the largest of them, and one of the most profitable launchpads is Coinlist. Let's see what projects came out on the Coinlist. So here we see all the projects that have ever appeared on the Coinlist. It shows the current price and how much it differs from the listing price. Right now many projects are in loss, but don't forget that this is a bear market, and basically all coins are in loss compared to their highs. A total of 29 projects have been released on Coinlist, of which 14 are losers and 13 are winners. 2 more projects are roughly at the same price as they were listed, so we won't take them into account. It would seem that there are more negative projects than positive ones, but let's look at how much money we would get if we invested $500 in each project on the Coinlist and sold tokens now. We take exactly $500 because that's what the average allocation price is, but we will talk about that later. So ignoring those 2 projects, if you invested a combined $13,500 in 27 of the 29 Coinlist projects, today you would have $84,710. So you would have earned $71,210, which is 5.27x. It's not huge, but still an amazing profit, including the fact that this is a bear market and we could have made hundreds of times more if we have sold everything at the top. If you had sold on the highs, your average profit would have been almost 65x. You have to understand that the truth is always somewhere in the middle, so it's unlikely you would have been able to lock everything on a peak, but that doesn't change the fact that you would have been in huge profits. Coinlist has been around since 2017, so if you take the average, you could get about 6x per year. That is 600%. I think you understand how profitable ICOs can be, especially if you approach everything with a head and analyze projects to increase the chances of successful purchase. So let's understand how you can participate in token sales and what you need for that. First of all, let's go to Coinlist site and register an account. There is nothing complicated here, so you just fill in your details and click create account. Then you confirm your email and get to main Coinlist page. So first thing we need to take care of is our security and fulfill the necessary requirements. To do that, go to the account tab and click on security. Here we have to enable two-factor authentication. To do that, you download one of these authenticator to your phone and scan that QR code through the app. I will now show you on the screen what you have to do with the Google Authenticator. You should have recovery codes that you need to save in a secure place. It is advisable to write them on a piece of paper and hide them where no one but you can find them. Now we'll go to the token sale tab and click on apply for wallets. Here we have to confirm our identity and fill in information about us. Also we will have to go through KYC process, after which your application will be submitted for consideration. Usually verification takes about 2 or 3 days, but sometimes registration can be faster, so keep in mind that you need to be verified in advance, so you won't miss the upcoming token sale. Now all you have to do is wait for the token sale and get ready to participate. So how do Coinlist token sales actually works? First of all, you should understand that not all participants of the token sale will be able to purchase tokens. In order to buy tokens, you have to win an allocation. An allocation is exactly the right to purchase tokens on the Coinlist platform for a certain amount of money. Most allocations are limited to $500, but sometimes they can be more or less than that. To win an allocation, you need to participate in the raffle and take one of the prize places. Usually, the number of places is around 20,000, but this can vary from project to project. This raffle is conducted by means of a lottery, that is, from the beginning, everyone has the same chances of winning. However, these chances can be increased by boosting your karma. There are many ways to boost karma, but the main one is staking on Coinlist. I won't dive into that, you can explore it yourself at the link in the description in more detail. Also, there are often 2 types of options to buy allocation in case of winning. They have different conditions and it is different for every project. So before every new token sale we have an opportunity to read the conditions and study the project in details before making an investment decision. That's why it was decided to give each participant equal chances to win large allocation on token sale, rather than give everyone a small allocation, which may result in mediocre profit, even taking into account large axes. I think this is a good decision, because it gives you a chance to earn good money if you win, unlike our launchpad platforms where you can win $20 allocation and even if it makes 10x you will only make $200, not even close to the $5,000 profit on a $500 allocation. Now you know how to participate on token sales, so all you need to do is just wait for the future token sales to get the opportunity to invest in good projects and multiply your money. So if you don't want to skip next big project, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit notification bell. It was all the important information you need to know before you start making money with Coinlist and other ICO platforms. If it was a helpful video for you, please leave a like and write what you think about it in the comments. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next video.